Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I am bringing you a really blue unit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Blake, and she's from Outre, and she's really blue. Okay, stay tuned. Welcome back. Okay, so today I'm stepping out of a comfort zone here. I'm going to review a daily wig, which generally I have pretty good luck with those, construction-wise. This color, though, this color is something else. She is Blake in DRELBL, okay? So she's a dark-rooted, it looks like electric blue, ELBL, electric blue. Okay, so, she's made of the high-tech heat-safe fiber, so she's heat-friendly up to 400 degrees. She can be shifted. She's left, right, or center because you just simply shift the wig. You don't part it, you just shift the part, okay? So she's shiftable parting. She's got a hand-tied lace part, and she comes with one of those pre-attached elastic bands. This is not my wig, y'all. This was loaned to me by a friend who, Anne, thank you, Anne, and Anne just said, girl, this isn't my color. I said, you know what? She may not be my color either, but let me try. And she's longer. She's a longer unit, okay? I don't usually wear long units. They have a tendency to age me, but for this color, I was like, you know what? Let me review her. We'll see what happens. Okay, so let's look at her cap construction. All right, so we know what she's supposed to look like. Okay, let's look at her construction. She has 2 combs in the front. Maybe. I know I saw the other one somewhere. Ah, there it is, behind the strap. Okay, so 2 combs in the front. There and there. She's got a comb in the back. It's pretty standard Outre construction. And she's got this adjustable strap here, as well as, or I'm sorry, the elastic band there, as well as the adjustable straps here, and these have come off. I am going to go ahead and just put these on the widest setting, because if you follow my channel, you already know it. I'm going to say it anyways. I have kind of a big head. So wigs don't always fit me the way they do other people, okay? So, yeah. And you know how I feel about these elastic bands. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this girl on my head and see what, oh, you guys, let's see what she's doing, all right? She's gonna be interesting. Oh, and the inside of her cap is a full lace, is a full mesh. Sorry, okay. Let's try it. Strap. Back. Oof. Okay. Woo. Let's, okay, I can't get her to move. She's stuck underneath my stocking cap, I think. Yeah. So if you guys know me, you know I do not like a front, a middle part. I am not a middle part person, particularly and especially now, because I don't have hair there. Okay. Okay. Wow. This is blue. She's really blue. Super duper duper blue. And I, again, don't like my hair parted down the middle. But we're just gonna leave it there first of all. Okay, so she's got some weird stuff going on in the back, but it's because she's a bigger cap. Well, she's not a huge cap, but she's bigger than the last couple of wigs I've had on. So that would have to be straightened out. And that mesh, sometimes those are designed for hair under here, and I don't have much, so it's lumpy. If I had real hair under there to take up space, I think that would smooth out. Okay, so this is she in the middle. I don't like it. Let's put her on the left, and I'm just gonna try to shift her without moving my whole cap. Okay, let's put her on the right hand side and see once if that's any better. Okay, so I'm not hating her. I love the blue. What I don't like is that flaw. You see it? Look at it. Okay, and like I said, almost every single Outre wig of this daily wig collection that I've had, that I've gotten, and I've had several, have this little flaw in their construction. She's definitely have to be, her parting space would have to be opened up. She would definitely be a wig you'd only wear certain places and to certain events, because she's definitely one that's going to tangle on you. She's going to tangle at the nape terrible bad. She's going to tangle at the bottom. She's going to frizz because she's stick straight. Okay? Stick straight. And she's also got that little flaw. Alright, so here is all the hair to the front. Okay? Alright, let's do this little spin around here. See if I can show you all this hair in the back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to in this chair. Let me get my mirror out. Don't judge me. It's kind of dirty. So let's go. Here she is to the right. Okay. You see all of it? There. Oh. Okay. She does look wiggy. She's a wiggy wig. Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy wig. Okay, here she is to the back. Okay, again, my picture is probably going to be really bad. Alright, and then I'll hopefully get one shot out of that. That's good. Here she is on the left. Okay. Okay. I feel that she's cute. I don't have anything against her really, except for this cap construction. This is Blake. I'm not hating her. I'm really not hating the blue color. I mean, she's blue. Okay, but I would definitely have to work on her parting space, for one. Very, very tiny, very tiny, tiny little parting space. It is really tiny. That's helping. but she is definitely one that I would probably attempt if I had hair. Okay, you see how that's sticking out just a little? If I had hair, I would probably brush that in and brush it in over here. And then I think it would look a lot more realistic, because right now this hairline is looking very, very wigtacular. The blue is very, very electric, but I am kind of loving it. I am kind of loving that blue. Okay? All right. Anyway, this is Blake. Let's do one more time with the stock card. She says what she does. She does what she says. Okay? She's just very, 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 very blue. All right. Okay. So this is all I have for you today on Blake. If there's a video that you would like me to review, please put her name down in the comment section below and I'll see what I can do for you. While you're there, click like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. That way you're alerted every time I upload a video. Okay? Okay. That is all I have for today. I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.